Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the very special honor to review Be Quiet's new reliability monster of a power supply, fully modular, 80+ gold certified, equipped with all Japanese capacitors and a completely wire-free design inside the unit. Meet the Straight Power 11 650 watt PSU. This one stands out by quite a bit actually, yet it does come in at a super competitive price point of about $130 right now. But is it really as good as I'm hoping it to be? Let's find out, I guess. The specs of this specific unit sure do impress with up to 93% efficiency, although not really something out of the ordinary. However, it's unusual seeing the 12V being split into 4 rails, which means you will have to pay some attention on how you balance the load across the 12V rails. The first pair of plus 12V rails offer 18 amps, the second pair 22 amps for graphics cards. The plus 3.3 and 5V rails both output 24 amps. In terms of connectivity, for 650 watts, this unit basically offers everything one's heart may desire, and although really not that important, I find the aesthetics to be spot on, exactly my kind of taste. Kind of minimalistic, all black, and that beautiful Be Quiet trademark fan grille. A 135mm Silent Wings 3 FDB fan is taking care of cooling here, which does not turn off, however, unlike with some other PSU models out there. But to be honest, I prefer having the fan spinning all the time, even at light loads, and this Silent Wings 3 fan sure is virtually inaudible with only 8 to 9 decibels under light loads, just as Be Quiet themselves claim. What's interesting is this funnel-shaped fan opening, which apparently should increase airflow. Now, as I've said before, this is a fully modular unit, which means all cables are detachable, allowing for a more convenient installation and a tidier look altogether. The cables, in fact, are all black, nicely sleeved, and definitely long enough for the majority of cases on the market. But of course, what matters most is on the inside. Please be warned, opening up power supplies can be extremely dangerous. Now, as far as I can tell, this is a platform by the OEM FSP. The quality seems to be very good. Something I've personally never seen before is this wire-free design, which not only looks super tidy and organized, but also results in improved airflow, less signal disturbance, and that does increase the lifespan of the components. This unit is equipped with 5 daughter boards and comes with technologies such as half-bridge conversion, LLC, synchronous rectifying, and of course DC to DC transformation. Highlights here are the noiseless PFC capacitor, not 1 but 2 caps in the LLC circuit, a new relay, and all high-grade Japanese capacitors rated at 105 degrees Celsius. On the primary side, I've spotted a single one by Hitachi, and as for the secondary side, Chemican. There also are some Rubicon caps on board, and of course Japanese solid caps. Even though I do not have the possibilities to go through proper professional testing when it comes to power supplies, I did do some simple testing with my overclocked test system. The voltages on some load are quite good actually, and same can be said about the efficiency. 80+ gold sure can be worth it, especially when putting more load onto the PSU than I was able to. At the end of the day, this new Straight Power 11 by Be Quiet did manage to impress me. It certainly did live up to my expectations, with the exceptionally good quality both inside and out. Priced at roughly $130, for the quality you get, an amazing deal in my opinion. One of the very best PSUs I've looked at so far. I didn't find anything negative to mention, which is why I can definitely recommend this Be Quiet Straight Power 11 650 watt power supply. And of course, just like its gold efficiency, I'm giving it my highest award, that is gold. And as always, thanks for watching.